Is Baserow not loading, crashing, or just not working properly? Don't worry, this is usually caused by simple issues like browser errors, connection problems, or outdated settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Baserow not working in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Baserow from loading properly or syncing your data. Next, try refreshing the page. Sometimes temporary loading issues can be fixed with a simple refresh, so yeah, it's worth trying before anything else. If Baserow still isn't working, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data stored in your browser can sometimes cause display or login issues. Sometimes the issue is browser-related. Try opening Baserow in another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to see if the problem continues. Browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can sometimes interfere with Baserow. Temporarily disable them and check if the platform starts working again, especially extensions that block scripts or cookies. Visit Baserow's status page or official updates to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved. Try logging out of your account and signing back in. This can refresh your session and fix temporary authentication issues, and that's how to fix Baserow not working in 2026. In most cases, it's just a browser or connection issue, so these quick steps should get everything working again. So yeah, try them one by one until your dashboard loads properly. Thanks for watching.